रिंकू इंटरनेट यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो सेवा योजना कार्यालय की तरफ से जो आपकी आउटसोर्सिंग भर्तियां आती है उन्हीं में आपकी एक नई भर्ती आई है। संस्थान कंपनी आपकी जीन वेंचर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है। पद का नाम आपका हॉस्पिटल अटेंडेंट है। विभाग का नाम SGPGI लखनऊ है। आवेदन की अंतिम तिथि 17 जुलाई 2024 है। कुल रिक्तियाँ आपकी 14 हैं और अनिवार्य योग्यता में आपका हाई स्कूल बताया गया है। साथ ही कार्य के विवरण में आपका बताया गया है कि assist doctor, nurse, laboratory staff, other healthcare worker in various patient case activities as per requirement for those area of working. When post with a doctor, he/she will control the influx of patient to the doctor room. He/she will be responsible for the proper upkeep and cleaning the doctor's consulting room and other cleaning, including all furniture equipment there are. He/she will arrange the doctor table and exam table of the patient. She will be responsible for the delivery of dark of any material of the various office and store and other such place as may be required under instruction for in charge of area where posted. Similarly, he will collect any other logistic from the various office to store any other place as instructed by in charge of area where posted. He/she will be accommodated to storekeeper and get the intent from the main store. Patient helper will be provide full cooperation of nursing staff by providing bed pain and urine pot of the patient. The patient helper will perform duty of the watchman attendant at the area of work as specified by in the charge of area where post at the time of need. Patient helper will assist nursing personnel in making the bed, feeding the patient, administration of injection, medicine, eat and arrange the investigation and diagnosis process of the patient. तो इसका जो वेतनमान है वो 10,500 रुपये। एज आपकी 21 से 60 साल होनी चाहिए और ज्वाइनिंग उत्तर प्रदेश के लखनऊ में दी जाएगी। साथ ही अन्य विवरण में आपका बताया गया कि प्रेफरेबली हैव वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इन हॉस्पिटल। रिजर्वेशन विल बी फॉलो एट द UP government. Assist doctor, nurse, laboratory staff, other healthcare worker in various patient care activities as per requirement for the those area of working. When posted with a doctor, he/she will be controlled to influx of patient at the doctor's room. She will be responsible the proper upkeep and cleaning doctor's consulting room and other room including all furniture equipment therein. He shall be arrange the doctor's table and examination table for the patient. She will be responsible for the delivery of the dark of any other material to the various office and store and other such place as may be required under instruction of in charge of the area wherever posted. Similarly, he will be collect any other logistic from the various office, store, any other place as instructed by the in charge of the area where posted. She will be accommodated to the store keeper and get the intent from the main store. Patient helper will provide full cooperation of the nursing staff by providing bed pen and urine pot of the patient. The patient helper will perform duty of watchman. तो ये जानकारी आपको कैसी लगी? वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, साथ ही कमेंट कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।